Reflexive verb is a verb whose action is reflected back on the subject, which means an action done by a person on himself or herself. When a reflexive verb is used in a sentence, there is no object in the sentence. For example, Je m'appelle Claudine. The pronoun se before an infinitive verb indicates that the verb is reflexive. Let's look at the formation of the reflexive verbs. As you observe, se laver is a regular ER verb and the reflexive pronoun se is placed according to the subject. Let's take another example of reflexive verbs. Se promener, to take a walk. Nous nous promenons, vous vous promenez, il se promène. Verbs such as se promener and se lever add an accent on the first E for better pronunciation of the consonant. In the negative form of the reflexive verbs, the na is placed before the reflexive pronoun and the ba after the verb. For example, se reposer, to relax. Je ne me repose pas, il ne se repose pas, nous ne nous reposons pas. In the interrogative form, the reflexive pronoun is placed first and the subject and the verb are inverted. Example, t'amuses-tu avec tes amis? Vous amusez-vous à la plage? In the above cases, the reflexive pronoun comes first, then the verb and finally the subject. Let us now write a composition with the reflexive verbs in the present tense. Écrivez une petite rédaction sur Ma Journée Typique avec les verbes réfléchis. The verbs se réveiller, se laver, s'habiller, se promener, s'amuser. Chaque matin, je me lève à 6 heures. Je me lave et je m'habille dans 1 heure. Après mon petit déjeuner, je vais à l'école avec mes parents. Le soir, je me promène à la plage avec ma petite sœur et mes parents. Nous nous amusons beaucoup. J'adore la plage. So viewers, in just 2 minutes we have seen the formation of reflexive verbs and how to write a short essay using them. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. Merci!